Okay, this is the ulna and radius. Anterior view. We'll start with the ulna. So right here, let's see here, let me line it up the way you're seeing it. Okay, so I believe you're seeing it like this in your image packets. So up here is the olecranon process. You can see how this is a hook. If it makes almost a C shape, it is the top of the C. The section where it dips inward, this notch, that is the semilunar notch, or you could call it the trochlear notch. I don't really care what you use. Both mean the same thing. This bottom C right here, that is the coronoid process. We can see it if we look on the posterior view. It looks like the bottom of a C shape. So this section right here. Next we have the radial notch. So going back, you can see there's a notch right here. Pretty hard to see in the image, but it sinks in right here a little bit. That is the radial notch. Again, just like the leg, you have this space between the two bones that is filled with a net of fibers that is called the interosseous membrane, where those fibers connect to the interosseous border. Again, I would worry about that more for the lecture than our class, our lab here. This piece with the sticker on it at the bottom, that is the styloid process. You can see it dips down and goes lower. It makes up the side of our wrist so that our wrist can only go so far. Otherwise, it would stretch too far. And then this end is the head of the ulna. So even though this is like the bigger section and it is superior, proximal, whatever, this is actually the head of the ulna. Now the radius, which sits up here, this is the radius head. Looks like a disc on the top. Moving down, we have the radial neck, this section where it gets thinner. Then we have the radial tuberosity right here, which has a sticker on it. Just a bump that sticks out. Interosseous border, same as the other. Then again, we have a sticker on the styloid process, which dips down the lowest part of the ulna. Or excuse me, of the radius. All right, and that's it.